Park in Anchorage, Alaska. Tourist destination. Over here. Today's September 24th, Sunday. Out here for a walk. Let's get out of the house. These are going downhill. It's low tide right now. Tide comes all the way up to here. I was wondering where people are taking those pictures at. First time I'm down here. You can hear it. Cargo is to destination through Anchorage, Alaska. They stop here to refuel. Looks like 777. Over here on the right is Anchorage, Alaska. And that's our wind turbines, Fire Island. Wind turbines right there. Get about 10% of our power from there. And it's a windy day. Doesn't look like it's a windy day today. I don't see them moving. Slight wind, but not enough for wind turbines. So Anchorage is right over that one. Take a picture of it. But this is Cook Inlet. That's by the Brown. It's connected to the Pacific Ocean that way. Here comes the airplane. It's gonna make a landing. It's not a military one. Military goes that way. But commercial goes right above me. Looks like it might be military. Yeah, it's military. Otherwise it would go above me. It's gonna bank to the right. It's right. My left. It doesn't look like it's going to. It looks like it's going to the Air Force Base. Air Force Base is right over that way. Markings. It's military. Yep. It's Earthquake Park in Anchorage, Alaska. Good destination to come view glorious parts of Anchorage. Not the city. Alright, I'm gonna take some pictures. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thanks, share, and subscribe.